Imagine a village where the sound of cars is replaced by flowing water and gentle boat rides. Welcome to Giethoorn, one of the most enchanting villages in the Netherlands. Often called the Winds of North, Giethoorn is famous for its peaceful canals, charming wooden bridges, and beautiful roof houses. Instead of busy roads, a waterway wind through the village, creating a calm and almost storybook-like atmosphere. As you travel through its narrow canals, you'll see colorful gardens, traditional homes, small bridges, and trees reflecting beautifully in the water. Every corner seems to offer a picture perfect view. Whether you are exploring by boat, walking across its quiet bridges, or simply enjoying the scenery, Giethoorn offers a completely different way to experience the beauty of Netherlands. It isn't just a village with canals, it's a place where nature, water, and traditional Dutch life come together to create something truly unforgettable.